I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet.
So morning, nandito tayo sa Alpha Mart and time check is 5:30 AM. Konting background lang tayo. So mga 5 to 6 hours ang biyahe natin. 2:30 na tayo nakatulog kanina kasi nag-e-edit pa tayo eh. Kaya mga 2 hours lang tulog natin. So yeah, see you guys there. Morning guys!
Hi! Hi!
First appearance.
Shoutout sa'yo, sir.
First stop over! Breakfast.
Nakaga natin dito sa
Present.
Morning!
Ang sarap, dami po doon.
So, nanalo ang McDo. McDo wins. So, sila po, Lugaw Republic nanalo. Team Lugaw. Hey!
Team Lugaw goes sa McDo.
Team McDo. Ayan. Secret menu. Gabutan pa po ng mga epektos. So, gatas lang namin mag-breakfast.
Time check, it's already
8:37.
8:37 in the morning.
On the way na ulit.
Perfect combo. Coffee and
Puto.
puto. Harlap.
Okay. Newfound halo-halo. Thank you, Sir Neil. Kaya kakaguluhan na po nila. Ikaw, Brandon, sa'yo.
Ako na lahat.
Lahat. Guys, ito na po yung order natin.
Let's try Lucio's. By Mommy. Sa Bato be, 8 out of 10.
Ice cream, 10 out of 10.
Kung ice cream pa lang, 10 of 10 na.
Ano? Ang sarap, 10 out of 10.
Hindi po titikman eh.
Ay, sarap na ice cream.
Diba? Tandaan nyo makikita sa YouTube to. Neil, nagagandahan ka kay Nene?
Anong magagawa?
Yan. Bili mo namin drinks and siguro mga snacks mamaya. Tsaka water. Mga walang water dun eh. And then lunchtime.
Hindi ako to. Nakuha lang sa akin. Ito lang.
Panggap. Apo, 2 rooms na 4 packs.
6,000 kaka 520. Sige lang, ma'am.
So room 8 ang girls.
Pasok po.
Ay, yun na yun. Siyempre, ang boys room guys. Room 7. Ito na rin yun. Justin, hi ka sa vlog, pre! Gago, di naglalak to ng pinto, oh.
Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Let's go!
Hindi na, grabe.
Time check 4:07.
Hindi pa kami
Hindi
nagla-lunch.
pa po kami nagla-lunch. Mangga muna bago magkapsat.
Nothing like your smile in the morning, following the linings on your cheeks. 'Cause baby, in your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave. It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light. Feeling like a child through the days and the nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier to love, oh, oh.
Kain guys. Cheers tayo. Mango shake. Ano yun sir? Yeah. It's really good. Lunch na namin and dinner bago mag-float some. So yan. Alam mo sarap so far.
Pancit. Tsaka yung shrimp in alige.
Alige. Solid guys, sarap. Sarap din yung ito yung butter chicken nila no? Tsaka tong kare-kare. Tsaka calamares. Lahat na lang kaya. Hindi na namin naubos lahat. Sobrang busog. May take out pa kami. 6K lang bill, pero ang dami nakain.
It's easier to love when it's you by my side, shining through the cracks like the first morning light.
Hi! Isabay na natin yan.
Nights, living in your arms as years go by. It's easier to love, oh, oh. Easier.
Time check 8:23.
I-outfit check natin. Look at that shit. So, Pogi Berber.
Berber. Let's go! Hey! Guys, so kaya mo pinili natin. Yan. Let's go! Hey, ayun na, ayun si Lilo. Pagod na! Ano, pagod na?
5 minutes.
5 minutes.